How can this quiet baby turn into this?
It's all been building to the life-changing episodes of Talking Mamas.
Warning, get earplugs.